If you use more than one AI tool, you might be quietly bleeding money every month without realizing it. A ChatGPT subscription here, a Claude subscription there, maybe Gemini and Grok on top of that, and suddenly you're paying for 4 separate AI services that don't talk to each other. So I did the math on what that actually costs. Then I tested a single bundle that promises to replace all 4 for $20 a month. By the end of this video, you'll know whether Bluehost AI All-Access is a genuine money saver or a watered-down shortcut, and which one you should actually be paying for. Let's get into it. Welcome back to the AI Academy. My name is Eric, and on this channel, we cut through the hype and test whether these AI tools are actually worth your money. This one is a great test because the savings on paper look almost too good to be true. And that's exactly the kind of claim worth checking. So let me start with the problem because a lot of you are living with it right now. The best AI models come from different companies. ChatGPT is from OpenAI, Claude's from Anthropic, Gemini is from Google, and Grok is from xAI. Each one's genuinely good at slightly different things, so power users end up subscribing to several of them. The issue is that every one of those subscriptions is its own monthly bill, its own login, and its own separate window. You're paying 4 times and tab hopping all day. So here's the real math, and this is the number that started the whole test. ChatGPT Plus runs about $20 a month, Claude Pro is about $20, Google's Gemini plan's about $20, and the Grok plan most people use lands around $30. Add those up and you're looking at roughly $90 a month to have all 4. That's over $1,000 a year just to keep every major AI model in your toolkit. When I actually added it up myself, that number stung more than I expected. Now here's the alternative that I tested. Bluehost has a product called AI All-Access, and the pitch is simple. Puts ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Grok together in one dashboard under one login for $20 a month per seat. So instead of $90 across 4 services, it's $20 in one place. That's the claim. The obvious question is whether you're getting the real thing or some stripped down imitation. So that's the first thing I checked. And this surprised me. You're not getting weak, outdated versions of these models. Inside the dashboard, you can get current, capable models from each company. The kind people are actually paying for right now. It's not something 5 years old. One honest note here, the Claude model included is one of their stronger mid-tier options rather than the very top one, but the others sit right up at the current level, and for everyday writing and research, you'd be hard-pressed to feel the difference. So this isn't a bait and switch where they lure you in with big names and hand you junk. For $20, that's the part that made me sit up because that was my biggest worry going in, and it didn't pan out the way I feared. Then I found the feature that honestly, your 4 separate subscriptions literally cannot do no matter how much you pay. Because all 4 models live in one window, you can ask a question and compare how each model answers, then pick the best response. Let me give you a concrete example of when that paid off for me. I needed a short, friendly product description, so I asked all 4 models the same thing at once. ChatGPT gave me something polished but a little generic. Claude came back with a warmer version that actually sounded like a human wrote it. Grok went too casual for what I needed, and Gemini quietly worked in a detail the other 3 left out. So I grabbed the Claude version, borrowed one line from the Gemini answer, and had a better result in about 30 seconds than any single tool would have handed me. With 4 separate subscriptions, I'd never have bothered comparing like that. Here, it was effortless, and that's the feature earning its keep. It's not just the chat models either. The pack throws in some pre-built tools on top, like a research agent that puts together cited reports, presentation builder, and an article writer. I won't oversell these. They're useful extras rather than the main event, but they're the kind of thing that you'd otherwise be hunting for and paying for separately. So they nudge the value even further in the bundle's favor. Now let me be fair, because this is a test, not a commercial, and there are real trade-offs. When you use these models through a shared dashboard instead of each company's own app, you may not get every single bell and whistle that the native apps ship. Each company is constantly adding little features to its own product, and a bundle like this tends to focus on the core chat experience rather than chasing every new toy the day it launches. So if there's one very specific feature inside, say official ChatGPT app that you depend on every day, check that it's covered before you cancel anything. For most people doing everyday writing, research, and brainstorming, the core experience is what matters, and that's well covered. But I'd be doing you a disservice if I pretended there was zero compromises. There's always a privacy angle worth mentioning because it factors into the value. So Bluehost offers a step up tier tier with extra privacy controls for a few dollars more a month. Things like encrypted searches for people who care about keeping their AI activity more locked down. Whether that's worth it depends on how sensitive your work is, but it's nice that the option exists rather than being something you can't get at all. So let me actually answer the question in the title. Is AI all access better than paying for every model separately? For the large majority of people, yes, and it's not particularly close on the money. If you're currently paying for 2, 3, or 4 of these subscriptions, you're spending somewhere between $60 to $90 a month, and this gets you all 4 for $20, plus the side-by-side comparison you couldn't do before, plus a few bonus tools. So that's a straightforward win for your wallet and your sanity. But let me tell you who should not switch, because it's not literally everyone. If you only use one AI tool, say you live entirely inside ChatGPT and never touch the others, and you don't need a 4-model bundle. Just keep your single $20 subscription, because you'd be paying the same price for 3 models you'll never open. And if your whole workflow is wired into one very specific native app feature that the bundle doesn't carry, then stay where you are. The bundle wins on breadth and price, not on matching every niche feature of every individual app. Know which kind of user you are, and the decision makes itself. For me, after adding up what I was paying and then actually using the single dashboard for a stretch, the verdict was easy. The math alone is hard to argue with, and the comparison feature is something that I didn't know I wanted until I had it. So if you're juggling multiple AI subscriptions, this is the rare bundle that genuinely does cost less and does more at the same time. So if you want to try Bluehost AI All-Access for yourself, the link's down in the description. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And supporting the channel this way really helps us to keep creating practical, beginner-friendly content to help you learn and use AI. So if you use it, we really appreciate it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Here on the AI Academy, we make videos that break down artificial intelligence tools, workflows, and strategies to help you stay ahead of the AI curve. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or just curious about what AI can do. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.